In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your mobile camera to your PC for use in Microsoft Teams. Let's dive in and explore how to make your mobile device an effective tool for video meetings right from the comfort of your setup. First, the simplest way to get started is by using the Microsoft Teams mobile app, and here's how you can do it efficiently. Begin by installing the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. It's available for both iOS and Android, so just head over to your App Store and search for it if you haven't installed it yet. Once you've got it on your device, open the app and sign in. It's crucial to ensure that you use the same account here that you're using on your desktop computer. This way, everything stays synchronized. Now, with the app installed and you're logged in, you're ready to join meetings directly from your phone. When it's time for your meeting, just use your mobile device to join. One of the key advantages here is that you can maintain a connection on your laptop, which is especially useful if you need it for screen sharing or taking notes. Meanwhile, your mobile device can become the active camera. This setup is not only practical, but enhances your interaction by utilizing the best features of both devices simultaneously. However, there's a small but important tip to keep in mind as you go along. To avoid any potential audio issues, make sure to mute your phone's microphone. This simple step helps to prevent any irritating echo that could disrupt your meeting. By keeping your laptop audio active and muting the phone, you maintain a clear, uninterrupted communication channel. By following these steps, you can effectively turn your mobile phone into a valuable asset during your Microsoft Teams meetings. The simplicity and flexibility of this method make it accessible for anyone looking to enhance their virtual meeting experiences. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, having your phone as a camera provides you with a high degree of adaptability. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to leveraging your mobile camera for Microsoft Teams. Whether for business meetings, lectures, or online collaboration, this method ensures that your video quality is top-notch and your meeting experience is as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips make your next Teams meeting both more professional and more engaging.